Have you ever wondered how computers, smartphones, apps, or even the internet actually work? Today, we're going to answer a simple but powerful question. What is computer science? If you are a beginner or a student thinking about technology, this video is for you. Computer science is the study of computers and computational systems. It focuses on how computers work, how they process information, and how we can solve problems using computers. Computer science is not just about using computers. It's about understanding how they think, how they are built, and how we control them using instructions known as programs. Many people think computer science is about typing documents, browsing the internet, or fixing computers. Those are computer skills, not computer science. Computer science goes deep. It explains why and how those things work. Computer science has many branches. Let's look at some of the most important ones. 1. Programming. This is where we write instructions for computers using languages like Python, Java, C++, JavaScript. Programming teaches computers what to do. 2. Algorithm and problem solving. An algorithm is a step-by-step method to solve a problem. For example, how a computer sorts names or finds information quickly. 3. Computer hardware. This deals with physical parts like CPU, RAM, hard disks, motherboard. It explains how hardware and software work together. 4. Software and operating systems. This includes systems like Windows, Linux, Mac OS. These control how the hardware and programs run. 5. Networks and the internet. This explains how computers communicate with each other across the world. Computer science powers almost everything today. Mobile apps, websites, banking systems, medical equipment, artificial intelligence. Learning computer science helps you to think logically, solve real-world problems, create technology instead of just using it. Computer science is for students, beginners, curious minds, anyone who likes problem solving. You don't need to be a math genius or expert. You just need interest and practice. Computer science can lead to careers like software developer, network engineer, cybersecurity analyst, data scientists, or even system administrators, and many more. To summarize, computer science is the science of solving problems using computers. If you want to understand the technology, build software, or shape the digital future, computer science is a great place to start. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and comment below with your questions. I will be posting more beginner-friendly tech tutorials, so stay tuned.